Does your bike fall over like this? Well, I have a solution. Build one of these. It is a parking stand. And all you gotta do, see, it keeps the bike upright. Just like so. See? Keeps it upright. And in order to build one of these, all you need is metal poles to put into the ground, and then something to connect the two. This is just a piece of plastic that I hammered into, and that's all you gotta do. And then you just park it like that. That's how you park a bike without a kickstand. But this bike, it has a kickstand, but it still wants to fall over. So building one of those parking doohickeys helps. Alright, have a great day.